Hey guys, so today I wanted to review the BAGAIL packing cubes. I really like these traveling cubes, guys, because you can fit so much in here and compress them. So they're actually compression cubes that you can compress everything you have inside, make it into a smaller size, and make them fit your suitcases. Now they do come in different sizes. I'm actually going to show you all the sizes, and then we're going to open up the zippers, see how big they are from the inside, and see how you compress them. Okay, so this is the biggest size right here. It's a huge size, so it can fit all of your like jeans, sweatshorts, sweatpants, things like that. More on the heavy side. So we have the medium size where you can fit basically your shirts, your shorts, things that are not that super heavy but are a little bit on the heavy side. So we have this medium one for that. And then we have a smaller one, which is not even that small, but we have a smaller size that you can fit basically your bras, your underwears, things like that. And then we have the smaller one right here where you can fit the same things, but basically it's just a smaller size. So they're pretty cool. I love the different sizes, so you can organize everything separately based on how big your items are. So now that I've shown you the different sizes of the packing cubes, I'm going to show you how you can compress them to make them fit your suitcases better. So basically this is the second to smallest cube. It has two zippers. It has the main zipper that you're going to open, and then it has a zipper in the back that you're also going to open. And what happens is that you open both zippers and it makes the cube thicker. So it makes the cube be able to fit more of your clothes. So once you have all your clothes in there, you're going to close both zippers. So we're going to go ahead and close the front zipper. And then we're going to close the other zipper, which is the compression zipper. So you're going to close both zippers and it's going to compress everything, and it's going to fit your suitcases. Alright guys, so that's how you compress the bags. Now do not try to overload them. You'll know when it's enough, but how cool are these packing cubes that you're going to be able to compress literally everything and be able to fit on your suitcases. So I would 100% recommend them. I think they're amazing for all you travel junkies like myself. I like traveling, so I'm definitely taking them everywhere I go. But anyways guys, yes, I would 100% recommend these.